Hello, you're highly welcome to Prioritize Your Mouth with Queen Dorothy. I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare pumpkin leaves using pumpkin seeds. Before we do this, I'm going to be telling you the benefits of pumpkin seeds and pumpkin leaves, okay? Please make sure you subscribe, follow, like and share, and turn on the notification bell so that when I post a video, you'll be able to see it. Now, I want to talk about the pumpkin, the health benefits of pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin is very important to the body. It has a lot of minerals like potassium, which is required for muscle contraction and fluid balance and in chemical signaling in the neurons, the nerve cells. It also helps ensure the kidney, the digestive system, and the heart are functioning properly. And you can go ahead and see how I'm cooking this pumpkin. And the pumpkin leaves is very loaded and helps blood circulation. Yeah, the pumpkin leaves has a lot of vitamins. As I said, it has vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. So this is the boiled egusi. Yay! Pumpkin leaves help lower blood pressure. People who have blood pressure, you can eat pumpkin and you're good to go. It helps lower blood pressure. Blend and fry the egusi for at least 15 minutes, cooking for 45 minutes to avoid disorder, stomach disorder in form of diarrhea and vomiting, which is like food poisoning. This must be done for it to be okay. And you add crayfish for taste. Add crayfish to the egusi stew for flavor and any other seasoning. And this is how it looks, guys. This tastes so yummy and it is very nutritious. Make sure you like, share, follow my page for more videos. Just as a reminder, don't cook pumpkin seed for less than 45 minutes. Pumpkin seed benefit for men. It helps males with erectile dysfunction, as the seed has many properties that can help with prostate functioning. So this helps to reduce benign prostatic hyperplasia, which is BPH, a condition in which the prostate enlarges without the presence of cancer and mostly occurs with men over 50 years old. So that is the benefit of pumpkin seed for male. Pumpkin seed is loaded with antioxidants and other nutrients that contribute to the healthy testosterone level and improve overall health. Together, all these factors may benefit fertility level and productive function, especially in men. Okay? Thank you for watching. Make sure you share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get more videos. And also tell me your name and where you're watching from so that I will be able to tag you on my next cooking video. God bless you. Bye-bye.